The fastest drag boats in the world are extraordinary machines designed specifically for high-speed acceleration on water, far outpacing many supercars in terms of raw speed and acceleration. These drag boats can reach speeds exceeding 270 miles per hour in just about 3.4 seconds, propelled by immense engines pushing around 10,000 horsepower. Comparatively, one of the fastest hypercars takes about 1.9 seconds to reach 62 miles per hour, illustrating just how extreme the acceleration of these drag boats is, surpassing even the quickness of top-tier supercars by more than twice in speed achieved within seconds. Hydroplanes became the fastest accelerating machines on water through a revolutionary hull design evolution that allowed boats to skim over the surface rather than plow through it. In the late 19th century, innovators like Reverend Ramus introduced the concept of the stepped hull, which consisted of one or more horizontal steps in the boat's bottom. This design helped lift the hull out of the water at speed, drastically reducing water resistance and drag. Later improvements by John Isaac Thornycroft added air channels to increase the lift effect. Through the early 20th century, the stepped hull evolved into the modern hydroplane with a hard chine design. This hull shape lifted the boat almost entirely above the water, supported only by minimal contact points, which drastically reduced drag and enabled incredible speeds and rapid acceleration. Innovations continued into the mid-1900s with the adoption of three-point hydroplanes, where the boat rides only on two sponsons and the rear hull edge, further minimizing water contact. These advances, combined with increasingly powerful engines and aerodynamic refinements, allowed hydroplanes to become the fastest accelerating watercraft, capable of exceeding speeds of 270 miles per hour in just seconds due to drastically reduced hydrodynamic drag and extreme lift on the hull at high speeds. Top fuel. Hydros are the pinnacle class in drag boat racing, known as the kings of pure speed on water. These boats are powered by incredibly powerful 500 cubic inch engines that burn a mixture of nitromethane and methanol fuel, generating around 4,000 horsepower. Their unique design includes either outrigger style or conventional hydroplane hulls, optimized for extreme speed and stability. Top fuel. Hydros can accelerate from a standstill to over 250 miles per hour in just about 3.4 seconds across a typical 1,000-foot drag race course, making them the fastest accelerating boats on water. This class demands exceptional driver skill combined with advanced engineering, including contra-rotating propellers spinning at up to 20,000 RPM to transfer engine power efficiently to the water. The boats run on a liquid quarter-mile and are built to handle immense power and forces, with reinforced driver capsules and safety gear to protect pilots during these blistering runs. The top fuel hydro class represents the ultimate combination of raw horsepower, cutting-edge hull design, and unparalleled acceleration in watercraft drag racing. The Problem Child era refers to one of the most legendary and dominant periods in drag boat racing history. The Problem Child is an 8,000 horsepower nitro-fueled top fuel hydro boat owned by drag boat racer Fast Eddie Knox. This iconic boat impressed the world by hitting a blistering top speed of 262 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds over a 1,000-foot run. Beyond speed, Problem Child has an impressive record, holding 15 of the quickest 1,000-foot elapsed times in drag boat racing history, and multiple drag boat world championships from 2006, 2011, 2012, and 2013. Piloted by skilled racers like Darrell Ehrlich, the boat is known for pushing the limits of speed and safety on water, setting national records with elapsed times as low as 3.36 seconds at speeds over 260 miles per hour. The Problem Child revolutionized the top fuel hydro class by combining insane horsepower with cutting-edge engineering. making it one of the fastest and most fearsome propeller-driven boats ever to race on water. The nitrochondriac legacy refers to one of the most formidable top-fuel hydro drag boats, known for its record-breaking runs, surpassing 260 miles per hour. Piloted by Brian Sanders, the nitrochondriac is a nitro-powered hydroplane that has consistently pushed the limits of speed and acceleration on water, clocking runs of over 270 miles per hour in just about 3.38 seconds over 1,000 feet. This monster hydro is renowned for its incredible powertrain, producing thousands of horsepower, paired with a highly specialized hull design that maximizes lift and reduces drag to explode off the starting line like a rocket. Brian Sanders and the nitrochondriac have left a significant mark on the drag boat racing world, regularly competing at the highest level and setting some of the quickest elapsed times and top speeds in top-fuel hydro racing history. The boat is also notable for intense competition with rivals like the Spirit of Texas, showcasing thrilling side-by-side races with speeds near and above the 260 miles per hour mark. The nitrochondriac's combination of raw nitro power, extreme acceleration, and expert piloting has cemented its legacy as a true king of drag boat speed and performance. Ride the wave of adrenaline and speed. Subscribe now to catch every epic drag boat run. Drag boat racing originally followed the same quarter-mile, 1,320 feet, standard distance as land drag racing. However, due to increasing speeds and safety concerns, the sport made a significant shift from the traditional 1/4 mile length to a shorter 1,000-foot course, often called the liquid quarter mile. This change reduced the total distance by about 320 feet, allowing racers to achieve extreme speeds while providing a safer runoff zone for deceleration. The shift to 1,000 feet became the standard length for professional drag boat racing, especially for the top fuel hydro class, where boats can reach speeds around 270 miles per hour in less than 5 seconds. The shorter distance helps manage the heightened risks inherent to racing on water at such blistering speeds, where stopping distances and potential accidents pose extreme danger. This safety-driven evolution has allowed the sport to continue pushing the envelope of speed while prioritizing driver safety in an inherently risky motorboat racing environment. Top fuel hydro boats with over 10,000 horsepower achieve their rocket-like launches and blistering speeds through a combination of advanced supercharged engines, specialized fuels, and innovative hull designs. These boats run massive 500 cubic inch V8 engines, similar to those in NHRA funny cars or top fuel dragsters, built by performance experts like Alan Johnson. They use superchargers producing over 60 pounds per square inch of boost to cram in massive amounts of air, which combined with burning nitromethane fuel results in around 10,000 horsepower. The hull design is crucial. Modern hydros feature carbon fiber composites and aerodynamic shapes that enable them to plane and almost fly above the water surface, reducing drag drastically. They use twin titanium propellers spinning at extremely high RPMs, providing immense thrust. At launch, these boats can pull over 4.5 Gs of acceleration. The synergy of supercharged engines, nitro fuel, lightweight and aerodynamic hulls, and ultra-high RPM propellers makes these top fuel hydros the fastest accelerating machines on water and true waterborne rockets. Top fuel. Hydro drag boats are incredibly fast and powerful, but this extreme speed also brings risks. The boats can blow over or crash because of their delicate balance between speed, lift, and water contact. One of the main causes of crashes is the boat becoming airborne or blowing over due to aerodynamic lift exceeding the hull's downward force. At speeds over 250 miles per hour, if water conditions, wind, or slight driver error alter the boat's stability, it can flip or cartwheel violently. Crashes often happen during launches or high-speed runs, when any loss of control leads to catastrophic outcomes. Historical crashes have included boats flipping sideways, hitting water at high speed, sometimes launching off waves or wakes unexpectedly, and collisions. Famous incidents include dramatic flips during major races and crashes leading to serious injuries or fatalities. Safety improvements like reinforced driver capsules, tethered parachutes, and emergency response have helped. But the high-risk nature of top-fuel hydro racing means crashes still occur with devastating force. The future of drag boat records is rapidly evolving with the emergence of electric hydros, ongoing safety upgrades, and new teams pushing the boundaries of speed and technology. Electric-powered boats, such as those competing in the 2025 Monaco Energy Boat Challenge and the E1 World Championship, showcase cutting-edge propulsion systems combining high-power electric motors, advanced battery technology, and lightweight hydrodynamic hulls. These vessels focus on sustainability, achieving high speeds with zero emissions while introducing innovations like precision rudder control and foil designs to reduce drag and boost stability. The quest for breaking the 270+ miles per hour barrier in drag boat racing is heating up, with several elite teams poised to redefine the limits of speed on water. The current world record stands at an astounding 272.9 miles per hour, set by a 10,000 horsepower drag boat that launched from zero to this speed in just 3.4 seconds, showcasing the pinnacle of engineering and raw power. Teams like Eddie Knox's Problem Child and Brian Sanders' Nitrochondriac remain top contenders, with legendary reputations for pushing speed boundaries past 260 miles per hour. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this ride, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next blast down the track.